With soaring temperatures gripping Indian cities, sunscreen has become indispensable for many. But navigating the sunscreen aisle can be confusing. Which one suits your skin and activity levels? What's the SPF number you should look for? How should you decide from the numerous ads you see? We speak to Dr. Amulya Ramamurthy, consultant dermatologist at Apollo Hospitals, Bengaluru, to help you choose the right sunscreen this season.
To start off, me as a dermatologist, I usually recommend that you pick up a sunscreen from a pharmaceutical brand. So the commercial sunscreens that are available don't really have a very reliable sun protection factor. So they claim to be, providing an SPF of 30, 40, but I see a lot of people not getting a good coverage with these sunscreens. So I would suggest you buy a sunscreen from a pharmaceutical brand. I feel they're more reliable. And there are some labels to look for when you're selecting your sunscreen. I think the most important is the sun protection factor or the SPF. It's basically an indication of how much protection you can get from UVB radiation. For us, if we're working indoors most of the time and the only exposure to sun is during a commute, then I recommend an SPF of 30. That is more than enough. But if you're going to be spending a lot of time outdoors, or if you're planning a beach vacation, or if you're going swimming, then you have to choose an SPF 50 and above. It is not necessary to use a higher SPF if you're going to be spending a lot of time indoors. There is one more label that is usually present on most sunscreens, that is, they say a broad spectrum sunscreen. That means they also have an additional protection from UVA radiation. So that is good as well. Some of them specifically mentioned that they have additional protection from UVA, which is very good. A few sunscreens which are imported from the European countries and other Asian countries also mention a PA index. So that index will have a rating of 1 plus to 4 plus. It's basically an indication of the protection we get from UVA radiation. So if you have 3 plus or 4 plus of PA index, that is good. And if you're going to go swimming, look for something which is water resistant. I see a lot of patients fussing about physical sunscreens and chemical sunscreens. Unless you are a toddler or a child going swimming, or you have a skin condition like rosacea, I think then we recommend physical sunscreens because we believe they are a little less irritating. But otherwise, please don't break your head about that.
Thank you for this information, doctor. For the benefit of our listeners, physical sunscreens just sit on the skin as a barrier without getting absorbed into the skin. Whereas chemical sunscreens are absorbed into the skin and acts as a filter to the UV rays. Hope this will help you choose the right sunscreen.